Good evening, everybody. Hope that you've been enjoying a little evening of Vistoramas. If you weren't here on the first night when we ran the demonstration of this room, the Vistorama is what we call this beautiful screen that allows us to project all these really cool images and atmospheres and scenery. And it's actually a combination of, there's 18 individual projectors working together to create one uninterrupted image. That's why we can have this image, and the projector, one projector was hanging here, you get these big shadows because these beams are in the way, but we have these 18 projectors strategically located around, making this one image. So the Vistorama show is culminating in the world's most expensive virtual fireworks experience. So this is our fireworks laboratory in Vistorama that you're seeing right now. We created this Vistorama show. By the way, this isn't as simple as just plugging in a flash drive. When these shows get programmed, we have expert programmers come on board the ship, and they spend hours and hours every night to plug one of these things in. After it's all been designed, you can see this is it's a very complex operation. But anyway, we designed this for the New Year's Eve party that we had here beginning of the year. And then we thought, well, listen, put all this work and money into it. Why only use it for New Year's instead of a fireworks show every cruise? So we're doing it. Yeah. So this is the fireworks factory. You can see the various colored chemicals that are being sucked into the rocket before she takes off. And when it does blast off, by the way, the whole thing it's about like a 6-minute thing. It's not that long, but for the last minute or so, the perspective of us, the viewer, blasts off into the fireworks, and you get to see it from inside it. So it's very, very cool. If the fireworks show that you're about to see were actually in real fireworks, it'd be a multi-million-dollar show. It'd be ridiculously expensive. We get to do it here every cruise, the magic of Vistorama. You're welcome to video it, by the way, if you like, on your smartphones. It's actually really cool. It looks super realistic. You can tell people, now we're at the back of the ship on the final night. They put together this massive fireworks show right outside the back of the ship, and people will believe you. So here we go. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have liftoff. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the rest of the night. Your cruise is not over. This is your world's most expensive virtual fireworks experience. See you soon.